Hello friends. Welcome to Pop Art. I am Sagar, your friend. Fast I draw a rectangles. How are you? I hope you are well. Today's topic is how to draw a symbol of three-phase transformer for single line diagram. Rectangles is A4 size 210 mm and height 297 mm. Made at 0,0 coordinator. Draw a circle. Selected the radius in 10 mm, copied it and put it left and right side. Draw a line and copied it the line to be put at left and right side of circle. Position the line through Move Comments. Select text comment and write details of symbol. Thanks for watching. For notification, please subscribe my channel.